Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today we are going to discuss whether your rotor needs to move to the left or to the right in order to wind your Seiko 5 automatic. Now, something really cool that also Seiko invented, which is called the magic lever. This small improvement to automatic watches is going to make sure that your watch is going to wind in both directions. So from the 1960s up to now, these watches are going to wind in both directions, so you do not need to worry about that. There are going to be some other brands that do not have this, so vintage automatic watches that do not have this feature, and you will be able to see that they are going to wind only in one direction, but for the most part they are going to wind in both directions. So guys, that was the quick tutorial that I had for you today. In case you want to watch the full guide with how to set the time and date, how to wind the watch manually and by wearing it, also how to replace the strap, either a NATO strap or a leather strap on your Seiko 5 watch, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below to the full guide, so make sure to check it out. And in case you want to purchase your first vintage watch, make sure to check out our website vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale, link in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching, make sure to subscribe, and I'm going to see you in the next video.